Okay, so we need to turn this this receptacle into a GFCI receptacle because of its proximity to the sink. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw my little tester in here, which indicates that it's on. And normally panels are properly labeled so we know which one it is, but just in case, I like to double check with this tester. So we go along here, so that could be one of them, or it could be on this side here. So we'll try 19 because here it says 19 and it's turned off. So now that we've turned it off, we're going to open up the outlet and start the change. Okay.
No, you're good.
Okay. So open this up here. Before I get too far, I'm going to stuff this cloth in here in case any screws fall. Okay, so let's open this up. It's a good receptacle, nicely wired, but we don't need that, so we'll change this out. So first we remove the hot. Neutral. And then our ground, and we'll get our new GFCI here. Okay. Alright, so first we'll get our ground in. Oh, lost the screwdriver there. And then on these GFCIs, there's a line side and a load side. You gotta make sure it's properly done. And choose the line side. Okay, so that's done there, and what I like to do is put a wrap of tape around the outlet, because when we've got metal boxes, we don't want the screw terminals getting too close there. Extra precaution. So it's sort of insulates it to a certain degree. Okay, so that's that. And then we'll get this guy back in. Okay, now we put our tester back in, flip the switch. Okay, so now it's in the trip mode, reset it, and we're good. GFCI works. There we go. We just need to put the switch cover on and we're good to go. I mean, we'll just leave that there. Do you want a new switch cover or do you want to use the existing one?
Okay,
It looks the same, yeah. Yeah, it's just a little dirty. Okay, so was that okay? Do you want me to do it again? Yeah? Okay. How old is this building?
No idea.
Okay. So this unit, is it a condo then, or?
It's a condo.
Okay. Okay, so let me just make sure this is lined up.